What if I told you that a simple phrase could get you a free upgrade to first class? No expensive upgrades, no miles required, just the right words at the right time. Most people think getting upgraded is impossible, but airlines have a secret system, and today I'm revealing it to you. So before you board your next flight, make sure you know this secret. Hit that subscribe button for more flight hacks, and let's get started. Alright, first things first. We're talking about first impressions. You can't walk up to the gate looking like you just rolled out of bed and expect an upgrade. Airlines are looking for people who fit the first-class image, so ditch the sweatpants and stained t-shirt. Break out those business casual clothes you never get to wear. A collared shirt, some decent pants, maybe even a blazer if you're feeling fancy. And for the love of all that is good in this world, no flip-flops. Shoes matter, people. A nice pair of shoes shows you pay attention to detail. And you know what else screams upgrade me? A high-end carry-on bag. When you look the part, you feel the part. It's all about sending the right message. I belong in first class. Okay, so you've got the look down. Now let's talk strategy. When it comes to air travel, timing can make or break your experience. Checking in isn't just about getting your boarding pass. It's a delicate dance, a game of chess where every move counts. The timing of your check-in can influence your seat, your comfort, and even your mood for the entire journey. And the key to winning? Timing. Knowing when to act is crucial. Option 1. Early bird gets the worm. Check in online the second it opens, usually 24 hours before your flight. This not only secures your seat, but can also give you access to better options. Airlines often release discounted upgrades to early birds, so you might snag a deal. Imagine flying in business class for a fraction of the cost. Option 2, the last-minute hustle. Wait until you're at the airport, right before the flight. This can be risky but rewarding. Why? Because airlines overbook flights all the time. They need to accommodate everyone, and sometimes that means upgrading passengers. It's a gamble, but if economy is full, you're more likely to get bumped up to business or first. The thrill of a last-minute upgrade can be exhilarating. Be nice to the gate agents. A smile and a polite inquiry about upgrade possibilities can go a long way. They have the power to make your journey more comfortable. Don't be afraid to ask. The worst they can say is no, but if you don't ask, you'll never know what you might have missed. So, set your alarms, plan your attack, and be ready to check in like a pro. With the right timing, you can turn a regular flight into an extraordinary experience. Look, I get it. Joining another airline loyalty program feels about as appealing as a root canal. But trust me, it's worth it. Airlines love rewarding their loyal customers, and frequent flyer programs are the key to unlocking a world of travel perks, including those coveted upgrades. Even if you only fly a few times a year, sign up for the program. Every mile, every flight, it all adds up. Stick to one airline alliance, like SkyTeam or Star Alliance. This way, you're earning miles and status across multiple airlines, increasing your chances of an upgrade. Consider getting an airline credit card. Some of these cards offer free checked bags, priority boarding, and even complimentary upgrades just for being a cardholder. Plus, you earn miles on every purchase you make. Remember, loyalty pays off, especially in the skies. Chapter 4. Outsmart the crowds, the art of off-peak flying. Alright, let's talk about timing again. But this time, it's not just about when you check in, it's about when you actually fly. You want to avoid peak travel days like the plague. Think Fridays, Sundays, Mondays. Those are prime time for business travelers. Instead, aim for Tuesdays, Wednesdays, or even Saturdays. These are typically less busy travel days, which means more empty seats in business and first class. Take the earliest flight of the day or that dreaded red-eye. These flights are often less full because, let's face it, nobody wants to wake up at the crack of dawn or arrive at their destination feeling like a zombie. Avoid peak seasons, holidays, summer vacations, you know the drill. By being flexible with your travel dates and times, you're playing the odds in your favor. Chapter 5. The Seat Selection Strategy, Where You Sit Matters. You might think choosing your seat is just about legroom and window versus aisle, but it's actually a strategic decision that can affect your upgrade chances. Airlines often need to rearrange passengers to accommodate families or groups traveling together. And guess who's most likely to get bumped up? That's right, the person stuck in that dreaded middle seat at the back of the plane. Another thing to avoid: exit row and bulkhead seats. These seats are considered premium economy, so airlines are less likely to upgrade passengers from these spots. Traveling solo increases your chances. Airlines are more willing to upgrade a single passenger than a whole family or group. So next time you're selecting your seat, think strategically. Chapter 6. The Overbooking Gamble, Turning Chaos into Comfort. Okay, this next hack is not for the faint of heart. It's a strategy that requires a bit of daring and a willingness to embrace uncertainty. It requires a bit of risk, a bit of flexibility, and a whole lot of patience. But the rewards can be well worth the effort. But if you're willing to roll the dice, it could pay off big time. Imagine turning a stressful situation into a golden opportunity. We're talking about volunteering to be bumped from an overbooked flight. Yes, you heard that right. Airlines overbook flights all the time. It's just a fact of life. They count on a few no-shows, but sometimes everyone shows up. And when that happens, they need volunteers to give up their seats. This is where you can step in and make the most of the situation. This is where you come in. By volunteering, you can turn a potential inconvenience into a beneficial experience. Most people just take the travel voucher and move on. But you, my friend, are not most people. You see the bigger picture. You're going to politely but firmly request an upgrade on the next flight. This is your chance to get more than just a voucher. Airlines are usually more willing to negotiate with volunteers, especially if you're easygoing and understanding. Your calm demeanor can work wonders. So, next time you hear those magic words, "We're looking for volunteers," seize the opportunity. Turn the chaos into comfort and make your travel experience even better. Chapter 7. Kill 'em with kindness, the power of being nice. You know what they say, you catch more flies with honey than with vinegar. And let me tell you, this couldn't be truer than when dealing with airline staff. These people are the unsung heroes of air travel. They deal with hundreds of stressed-out, sleep-deprived passengers every single day. So a little kindness goes a long way. Smile, be polite, engage in some friendly conversation. Trust me, it makes a difference. When you're nice to the gate agents and flight attendants, you stand out from the crowd. And when it comes time to hand out upgrades, who do you think they're going to remember? The grumpy jerk or the friendly passenger who treated them with respect? Remember, a little kindness can go a long way, especially in the skies. Chapter 8. Cut out the middleman booking direct for maximum benefits. I know those third-party booking sites are tempting with their flashy deals and promises of cheap flights. They lure you in with the idea of saving a few bucks, but there's more to the story. But here's the thing. When it comes to upgrades, booking direct through the airline is the way to go. Not only do you get better chances for upgrades, but you also get more personalized service. Airlines want to build relationships with their customers, not with some third-party website. They value loyalty and are more likely to reward you for booking directly with them. So when it comes time to dole out upgrades, they're going to prioritize those who booked directly. This means you could find yourself enjoying a more comfortable seat or even a premium cabin. Plus, booking direct gives you more flexibility. You can often select your seat, change your flight without those crazy fees, and you'll be the first to know about any discounted upgrade offers. Download the Airline's app. It's a game changer. You can manage your bookings, get real-time updates, and even access exclusive deals that aren't available anywhere else. Some airlines actually let you bid on upgrades through their app a few days before your flight. This can be a great way to snag a premium seat at a fraction of the cost. So next time you're planning a trip, resist the urge to click on that third-party site. Instead, go directly to the airline's website or app. Your future self will thank you for the better travel experience. Chapter 9. Celebrate in style leveraging special occasions. Got a birthday coming up? Anniversary? Honeymoon? Maybe it's your first time flying. Whatever the occasion, let the airline know. Airlines love a good celebration, and they're often willing to go the extra mile to make their passengers feel special. This could mean anything from a complimentary glass of champagne to a free upgrade to business class. If you've got a legitimate reason to celebrate, don't be shy about mentioning it when you check in or even during the flight. A little bit of charm and a heartwarming story can go a long way. You never know, that birthday trip could turn into a first-class extravaganza. Chapter 10. Upgrade your airline. Choosing the right carrier. Let's face it, not all airlines are created equal. Some are notorious for their no-frills service and lack of upgrades. If you're serious about snagging an upgrade, stick to the major airlines, the ones with established loyalty programs, comfortable cabins, and a history of rewarding their loyal customers. Think Delta, American Airlines, British Airways, Emirates, the big leagues. These airlines are more likely to have premium cabin availability, last-minute upgrade offers, and they actually care about customer satisfaction. So, do your research, choose your airline wisely. Some are simply more upgrade-friendly than others. Outro ready for takeoff? Upgrade your travel game. So there you have it, folks. 10 secret hacks to unlock those elusive free flight upgrades. Now you're armed with the knowledge, the strategies, and the confidence to navigate the skies like a pro. Remember, it's all about being prepared, being strategic, and maybe just a little bit lucky. Now get out there, book that trip, and start living your best travel life. Safe travels, everyone.